In this video, we listed the 5 best cheap drone on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Lenovo D16. The Lenovo D16 mini drone is a compact and portable quadcopter designed for high-definition aerial photography, featuring dual 8K HD cameras that capture stunning images and videos. Weighing 420 grams, it has a maximum takeoff weight of less than 1 kilogram and operates using a brushless motor, ensuring efficient performance. The drone includes an advanced ultrasonic obstacle avoidance system, enhancing flight safety and confidence. With a flight duration of 18 minutes and a control range of up to 10,000 meters, it is suitable for both beginners and experienced pilots. The fixed-wing Wi-Fi remote controller allows for effortless navigation, while the sleek aerodynamic design makes it an ideal companion for outdoor adventures. Priced at $3.54 with a 50% discount, this drone offers an excellent value for anyone looking to explore aerial photography. Number 2. Xiaomi CZ06. The DixC CZ06 GPS drone is a professional-grade quadcopter designed for high-quality aerial photography, featuring an impressive 8K HD video recording capability. Weighing 300 grams, it supports a maximum takeoff weight of 5 to 6 kilograms and operates with a brushless motor for enhanced performance. The drone utilizes laser obstacle avoidance technology and offers a flight duration of 20 minutes with a control range of up to 20,000 meters. It operates on both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz frequencies and includes a 3-axis gimbal for stable camera mounting. The integrated camera provides fixed optical zoom and supports multiple languages for its app, including Spanish, French, and German. Priced at $3.72 with a 50% discount, it provides a secure shopping experience and is suitable for both hobbyists and professionals looking to capture stunning aerial footage. Number 3. Xiaomi S3 Drone. The Xiaomi S3 Drone is a versatile quadcopter designed for aerial photography, featuring a dual camera system capable of 8K and 4K HD video recording. With a maximum flight time of 25 minutes and a control range of up to 10,000 meters, this drone is suitable for both beginners and experienced users aged 6 and above. It includes advanced stabilization technologies, such as optical image stabilization and a 3-axis gimbal, ensuring smooth footage. Weighing 200 grams and equipped with a 2,200 mAh removable battery, it offers impressive performance with a maximum ascent and descent speed of 18 meters per second. The drone operates on a 2.4 GHz frequency and supports FPV mode, making it ideal for immersive flying experiences. Priced at $21.15 with a 60% discount, it provides a secure purchasing experience with reliable shipping options. Number 4. Lenovo P11 Pro Max. The Lenovo P11 Pro Max drone is a high-performance aerial photography device designed for both professionals and enthusiasts. It features a dual-camera system with an 8K HD front camera and a 4K professional rear camera, ensuring stunning image quality. With advanced ultrasonic obstacle avoidance and a brushless motor, this drone offers stable flight and enhanced durability. It has an impressive flight time of approximately 45 minutes and a control range of up to 10,000 meters, making it ideal for extensive aerial exploration. The compact design allows for easy portability, and it includes user-friendly features like gesture photography and optical flow positioning. Priced at $4.74 with a 50% discount, it provides a secure shopping experience with prompt delivery options. Number 5. Xiaomi V66. The Xiaomi V66 Mini RC drone is a compact and advanced aerial photography device equipped with an 8K dual HD camera and intelligent obstacle avoidance features. Designed for users aged 9 and above, this drone operates on a 2.4 GHz frequency, boasts a flight duration of approximately 12 minutes, and has a control range of 200 meters. Weighing only 70 grams, it includes a removable 3.7V 1800 mAh lithium battery and supports various features such as 50x optical zoom, 360 degrees rolling, and gesture photography. The drone is foldable for easy transport and comes with a range of accessories, making it an excellent choice for both beginners and enthusiasts. Priced at $23.26 with a 50% discount, it offers a secure shopping experience with prompt delivery options.